What's up, guys? It's Ravi.
And Allie.
Man, look what we got here. It's a good looking tank right there. This is actually a French tank. One of the owner's sons just came out and talked to us for a little bit. We have another tanker right there.
So I'll give you guys a little tour of this tank. Did he say what year? Look at this thing. Was it supposed to be like a tire? Like a spare tire? Oh, that's a really thin tire. I'm guessing these are the headlights. These are kind of like a brake light. This thing open. Look how thin these tires are. They're really tiny. Wow. I wonder what that means. What's in here? Wow. So here is another tank. I'll go in there in a second. Check out this thing. Wow. I've never seen a tank in my life. This is like a dream come true. Wow. I wonder if I can open this. Oh. This is the back side of that second one. Ooh, let's go inside. Wow. Oh, there's a lot of spider webs in here. Ew. Oh my God, guys, look. This is the inside of that second tank. So these two are both very unique European tanks according to the owner's son. And there's also another one he told us about that was like on the other sides, which I'm very surprised because I've never seen a tank in my life. All right, guys, I'm going in. Oh, okay, we're in. We're inside the tank without the big boom, whatever blaster thing. The cannon, there we go, the cannon. It's very hot in here, so yeah. These things are so old. And according to them, these are all original, so I'm guessing this is like a little bench where they would sit on. What is this? That looks like a little air pump thing. Okay, so. Woo! I'm in the tank! Oh my God! We're in!
Fire extinguisher still works probably.
Alright, we're in the cockpit. There's another one right there. Another one right there. Wow. It's a little loud up here, so I might be shouting. Check it out. And there's the other one right there. This is my top view right now. This is like the most awesome thing ever. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm in a tank and a very unique one too. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what these things are right here. I'm guessing when it used to have some sort of top on it, I feel like this would rotate in circles to kind of move like formation. And I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is just what I think. Look at this. Like the control panels right there. I'll go there in a second. Oh. Okay, so I'm back inside. This is the second cockpit right here. Ew, there's so many spider webs. Look at all this stuff. Oh! These switches right here. Look at that. Oh, these are so old. Oh my god, I can't even push it back up. I'm gonna break a nail. Look at this. Oh! You guys, this is where the person drove it.
Cockpit.
I know, but this is where they like, there's like the control panels right there and everything. There's like a, look how tiny that seat is. This is the size of my hand. Wow. I'll show you a top view. Okay, so we're at top view right now. Oh look, you can see the little gas pedals down there. Check it out. So this is the steering wheel. Very tiny. And these are like the little control panels. All gas tank. This might have been like a, looks like some sort of, I wouldn't say speedometer, but it looks like something like that. Wow. This is so cool, guys. It's so hot right now. I'm trying to get some good pictures of the cockpit, but look at this. I just realized this little seatbelt right here. So cool. Okay, so I'm finally getting out of this tank and working my way to the other one. It's so hot in here. Jeez. Oh. Goodbye, tanks. Now it's time to go see a different one.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh, you guys. Oh my god. Look at that tank over there. And there's a freaking airplane. Oh my god. I'm so excited right now. What? This was definitely a pretty good treat. Dude, look at that tank. It's so old. Okay, so one of the workers told us to come back here to look at the other tank, and I did not expect to see an airplane. How? Oh my god, you guys, this could not get any better. Look at the inside. Oh my god. It's kind of hard to see, but wow, this is so cool. Oh my god, this is like the best day ever right now. You guys, this is so cool. Wow. OMG. This is pretty cool too. Look at this. So old. Woo. Wow, this tank is so old. I think I like this tank better. Oh! I'm a little excited. Look how old it is. It's so rusty. Holy moly. Wow. It used to be like glue. Look at that. Ew. Oh my god, guys. This is so awesome. I've never been so happy. Oh, what does the back look like? What the? Whoa! It looks like the back of like a pickup truck or something. Oh, we have to go up there. Okay. Oh my gosh. What? Check it out. Okay, so I literally came here just to see those two tanks, right? I literally did not expect to see a freaking airplane here and another tank. Like, the people here are so cool. They're like, oh, you go to the back of another tank. I'm like, okay, what do you know? There's an airplane. You guys believe how old this thing is? Like, it still has wooden seats. Oh my god. Like, look how tiny this backrest is. Like, it was probably a little bigger at one point, but wooden seats? Are you kidding me? Oh, what does this thing do? Look at that. I wonder if they like cranked it like. Ooh.
And then is this like what shoots out of the cannon? And then boom! Imagine? Nah. Not when this thing is this old. And then they got really old, like bombs and stuff. And down here, I'm guessing this is where they like stored like the little cannons and stuff. Right? What's in here?
If Alex comes, we need to show her this place.
Look at all this like pipeline stuff right here too. So old. What is this, like a little engine? No, there's no way this is the engine. This thing is massive.
That's where they're fucking loading their missiles.
Where?
Like they would somehow lift up this latch, I'm guessing. Stick a big ass fucking missile in there.
Let's go in full throttle. Yeah, no, I can't do that. Oh, look at this. That is so cool. How?
Pull this latch and shove
This is
something
so interesting.
in. Can I go over there?
Yeah. Woo. I'm literally sitting in the driver's seat of the tank, and I don't know how you can reach down here. Like, this is oh, I'm thinking that's the gas pedal right there, and this is the brake. Oh, what is this? The e-brake right here? I can't even reach. Look at the steering wheel. It's so different. Let's try and take some good pictures. So we're literally here just like waiting out the sun because it's really hard to get some pictures in this kind of lighting, especially because I take pictures with my phone, surprisingly. So yeah, I don't use a camera like everyone else, but you know, the pictures are just as nice. Let's look inside the cannon. Whoa! Okay. That was so much fun, guys. I mean, look at my hands, they're so dirty because I was like doing a lot of crawling on top of these things. That was so much fun, wasn't it? Are your hands dirty? Mine are filthy. A little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was like the coolest thing ever. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.